Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so sorry my video is one day late because it's my birthday today and I had quite a few recipe requests to share, so I thought I will prepare them for my birthday and then I'll straight away share the recipes to you all. So yes, it is the 29th of August today and it's my birthday, so I had quite a few dishes prepared which I will show you all, and plus I have two recipes that I'm gonna share today. One is the tuna croquettes, which was the most requested video. I got a lot of DMs asking for this recipe and a few comments as well. So I'm going to share this recipe of tuna croquettes. And second recipe is a chicken curry, which is a Hyderabadi chicken curry. But I have added my own few twists here and there to give it a nice buttery chicken curry flavor. It's somewhat similar to the butter chicken, like it looks similar to the butter chicken, but the taste wise it is completely different and it is a must try recipe. So I know there are feasts coming up, there is a lot of occasions coming up, even if it's your birthday, anniversaries, etc. Save this recipe and try it for yourself. For the chicken curry, here I'm frying 2 sliced onions, and here I've soaked around 15 to 20 cashew nuts in warm water, and then I'm going to grind it to a smooth fine paste. For 1 kg of chicken, I've used 2 large onions. Fry them until they're golden brown and transfer onto a tissue paper to absorb all the excess oil. To 1 kg of chicken, add salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri lal mirch, and half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 3 slit green chilies, 4 tablespoon of tomato puree. You have used ready-made puree, but if you don't have ready-made puree, you can grind tomato and then add 3/4 cup of curd, half teaspoon of food color, red food color. If you don't want it, you can completely skip. Add the grounded cashew paste and then add all the fried onions. You have to try this recipe as this is one of the most delicious chicken curry that I've tasted, and it is so rich, so creamy, and it is perfectly balanced with all the flavors. Cover and let it sit in the fridge overnight, or at least 2 to 3 hours minimum. This is how it should look after marinating overnight. To prepare the gravy, heat some oil in a pan and add a handful of curry leaves. You can use fresh or dried curry leaves. Once aromatic, add the marinated chicken. Give it a good stir and cover to cook for 10 minutes on medium flame until it releases water. After 10 minutes, open the lid and mix it really well. It smells so good. Add 1.5 cup of hot water. Give it a good mix and cover to cook on medium flame for another 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken is done. When it's almost done, this is how it should look. There should be oil released on the surface. Check for salt and spice level at this point, and then when it's completed, garnish with coriander leaves and serve hot. This is a must-try recipe. Now let's prepare tuna croquettes, as this is the much requested video. So here I've taken one finely chopped onion, a handful of finely chopped coriander, half tablespoon of pepper powder. You can increase or decrease as per your preference. Half teaspoon ginger powder, half teaspoon garlic powder. If you don't have ginger or garlic powder, just use half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. If you don't have paprika, use red chili powder. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add salt as per taste. 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup or tomato puree. 2 canned tuna of 150 gram each. Add 1 boiled and mashed potato, as this will help in binding. Mix everything until well combined. Add half tablespoon of vinegar to balance out the flavor. Mix well and let's start shaping the croquettes. With clean hands, roll the prepared mixture into the shape of a croquette. So I'm gonna fast forward and prepare around 20 to 21 croquettes out of 2 cans of tuna. So here my croquettes are ready. Now let's proceed to the next step. So here I've taken 1 beaten egg and breadcrumbs for coating. You can also use semolina or rava. Dip and roll. Let's fry all the croquettes. You can either deep fry them or shallow fry, but I'm going to shallow fry it. Delicious tuna croquettes are ready to be served. Do try this recipe out and let me know your opinions and views. So I hope you all loved today's vlog and enjoyed the recipes that I shared. Do comment down and let me know your opinions, and please continue to support me, to show me your love and help me to grow. That would be the best birthday gift I could ever receive. So thank you so much, and if you are new to my channel, then please leave your comments, like and share my videos with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care and stay safe.